everyone, I'm Jasdeep Kaur Lote and I'm founder and creator of Jasdeep Makeovers. I'm a professional makeup artist. I'm basically belong from Ludhiana city and I'm into this profession from past 7 years, and I must say that I love my profession a lot. I'm a professional artist and I love my job a lot, and my passion is to work more on clients so that I can become more experienced makeup artist and I can work upon different face cuts and face shapes so that I can learn a lot from that. And I think so that self-discipline and self-development is must in our life. Well, my mother played a great role in my entire life. Like मैं अपने मम्मा ਨੂੰ हमेशा देखती रहती ਸੀਗੀ बचपन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Like she used to keep on doing the paintings of different on canvas, fabric painting and everything. I keep on developing my interest from basically her only. So ਜਦੋਂ मैं ਵੱਡੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਈ, like I got my interest in more paintings. I keep on drawing, keep on doing different kinds of color strokes, paintings and everything. But I was not sure कि मैं आह वाले profession 'ਚ जाना चाहती हाँ. But day by day, year by year, I got interest in this. So my mother motivated me a lot. My father played a great role, and he sent me to the England for the further courses when I completed my MBA. Well, I don't think so that I was fond of makeup since I was during my childhood days. Like I think so, like ਸਾਡੇ time technology नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ, there was no social media. In fact, we were not aware about makeup things at all. Like ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ time ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸੋਚੀ ਜਾਈਏ, they are aware about everything from the social media. Like they know everything about the makeup stuff, like the contouring, highlighting, eye makeup, brushes, everything. So I think so कि ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਆਪਣੇ time ਤੇ, like, and we are totally happy ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ, at least we have completed our studies. So I think so studies and profession ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ hobby ਦੋਨੋਂ balance ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ life ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ. Well, there was a lot of challenges, a lot of obstacles like ਮੇਰੀ life ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਨੇ. Like whenever I started my work, ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ problems ਆਉਣੀਆਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਸੀ. Like society people ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, but still I just ignored them and just focused on my goal. There was my one goal only in my entire life. I keep on focusing, keep on going. And ਇੱਕ obstacle ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ early morning work ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਾਣ ਲਈ. But still with the hope of God, ਮੇਰੇ parents ਦੀ support ਨਾਲ, ਮੇਰੇ best buddy ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, I have completed my 7 years and I'm keep on working and I'm still be working there. Well, I have achieved a lot in my entire life, but there are still many things that I have to achieve in my life. But here I would like to elaborate about my achievements. Like I have completed my 9 workshops in my entire life, and I feel proud sometimes that like being a girl starting from the age of 22 until the age of 28, I have achieved a lot of things. I've met many people in my entire life, faced many obstacles, many hindrances and many things, but still I am the only one who is doing everything on my own. There is no team, nothing at all, and I am handling everything on my social media, everything on my own, marketing, financing department, everything done, and I feel proud that I've achieved a lot of things on my own. My favorite part of the job is to apply the glitters, try different kind of eye makeups on different kind of people. I really like to do the things on the dusty skin, especially. Like I feel like ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ makeup ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Whenever I face such kind of people like acne problem, then ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ try ਕਰਨ ਤੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ. Like I feel like I have gained a lot, and ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨਾਲ experience ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ makeup ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ. Well, I think I would like to go for the Tarte products. They are the best products I have seen, and their pigments and the glitters, everything about their company is very good. If I get an opportunity, I would like to provide the services to the underprivileged or the girls who are not rich or cannot be affordable for the makeup and the bridal. Definitely मैं उन्हें तैयार करना चाहनी है. Like I would like to make them more gorgeous and more beautiful so that they could also feel special and beautiful on their special day. Apart from my makeup stuff, I am really fond of like cleaning, listening music on loud basis. Then also I am developing more interest of the interior designing from my mother. Like I keep on watching her, keep on seeing her, like what kind of things she's doing, what kind of things she's maintaining like doing from the wastage material. So these are the things I think so I really liked a lot, and I'm developing more interest. Well, मेरा बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा सारे क्लाइंट्स नाल, somehow like मैं बहुत अच्छा like उन्हां नाल टाइम स्पेंड कीता है. But I have lot of clients from different countries. For example, like I have clients from Canada, Australia, New Zealand and England as well. But here I would like to explain more. Like I have met a client, she was a New Zealander and she was not Indian, and she came here for her wedding, like totally opposite from our culture. So ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ experience ਰਿਹਾ. Like I got to know everything about their culture and I really had a great time with her. मेरे लिए पहला काम ज़रूरी है, क्लाइंट ਦੀ ਸੈਟੀਸਫੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਇੰਸਟੈਡ ਆਫ ਵੈਲ. ਲਾਈਕ ਆਈ ਯੂਜ਼ਲੀ ਫੋਕਸ ਔਨ ਦੀ ਕਲਾइंट्स ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੇਸ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ. whenever I go to my like destination, I always keep in my mind like eyes ਬੰਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿ ਪਰਸਨ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ, instead of making like ਮੈਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਮਨੀ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਬਣ ਰਹੇ. I don't focus on those things. Instead I focus on ਕਿ ਕਲਾइंट ਦੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਗਰੂਮ ਕਰਨਾ, not to make them more matured. like ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਇਮੇਜ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੀਚਰਸ ਐਨਹਾਂਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਥੀਸ ਆਰ ਦ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਦੈਟ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਥੋੜਾ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬਾਕੀਆਂ ਨਾਲੋਂ. I think so winter ਦੀ ਬਿਊਟੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਇਹ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਲਾਈਕ ਇੰਸਟੈਡ ਆਫ ਫੋਕਸਿੰਗ ਮੋਰ ਔਨ ਲਾਈਕ ਹੈਵੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ, like बहुत ज़्यादा loud makeup, instead of doing like gnarly loud lipstick, instead we should go for nude eye makeup, nude lipstick, so that you can look more gorgeous. And instead of like heavy hairdos, we should go for like naturally ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਤੇ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਗਰੂਮ ਕਰੇ. ਐਂਡ ਅਪਾਰਟ ਫਰੋਮ ਦਿਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਵਿੰਟਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਂਗਸ ਕਰਾਉਣੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਹਰ ਗਰਲ ਨੂੰ. ਲਾਈਕ different personality ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, you should carry with your stuff, you should carry with your winter clothes, different kind of bags. I think so every girl should follow it. Well, I believe so कि every girl is very beautiful inside and out. My part of job is to like ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ, ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੋਰ like skin ਨੂੰ polish ਕਰਨਾ. It's my part ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ just ਇੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਗਰੂਮ ਕਰਾਂ. ਸੋ ਹਰ ਕੁੜੀ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਸੋ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਡੇਲੀ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖੋਗੇ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਰੱਖੋਗੇ ਉਨੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵੈਸੇ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਆਏਗਾ. If I would not be a makeup artist, then definitely I would be with my father to then I would be joining his business, then I would be helping him. Like we are the two daughters only, so definitely I would join him to make him proud. And right now I'm making him proud, and I feel so that he's very blessed to have me. मेरा favorite snack है Chinese. मैंने Chinese बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है जी. My favorite destination is United Kingdom, and I have visited there and I have been there with my family. My second family is there, and I really want कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ अर्निंग्स ਦੀ बेसिस ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ world ਘੁਮਾਵਾਂ. And apart from this, my favorite destinations are also like the Maldives and Las Vegas and the Paris, and I really want to explore with my better half in the future. My all-time favorite movie is Three Idiots. I think so like ਉਹ movie 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ explain ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ we should focus on one thing, one goal, then only we can achieve in our entire life. Like if we will be having two goals and going there and there, we will not be achieving anything in our life. So I think so कि हमेशा अपना एक focus रखो, हौली हौली तुरे जाओ, definitely you will gain something in your life at the last point. ਮੇਰੇ ਐਂਬੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਅਚੀਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ. ਹਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ. Plus I really want to explore my name overseas. I want to establish my name all over the world and make my lifetime memories with my parents, as they are the greatest blessing for me. And I also want to explore the world with my better half and my mate in the future. And also I really want to organize more and more workshops, not in India only but also other parts of country as well. So girls, मैं एक टिप देना चाहनी ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਹੋਵੇ. ਗਰਲਸ ਨੋ ਡਾਊਟ ਕਿ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਕੋਸਟਲੀ ਹੈ, ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡਡ ਐਵਰੀਥਿੰਗ ਹੈ, एट लास्ट कैमिकल्स है। सो आई वुड सुजैसट कि मैं अपनी एक तुहानूं टिप देवां, बीइंग ए मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मैं हमेशा कुछ नहीं लगांदी हैगी फेस ते। लाइक आई यूजली गो ऑन माई बुकिंग्स, आई कीप इट नैचुरल, क्योंकि मैं अपनी स्किन दा नैचुरली ध्यान रखदी हां। कीप ऑन डूइंग सम होम रेमेडीज सो दैट यू कुड हैव अ नैचुरल स्किन, लाइक स्किन तुहाडी ग्लो करे ते तुहाडी जिन्ना रेडिएंट हो सकेगी उन्ना अच्छा तुहाडा मेकअप आएगा। Well, you can follow me on my social media. My Insta ID is from Jasdeep Makeovers, and also you can follow me on my Facebook from the same name, and also you can follow me on Snapchat from Jasdeep_Lotte. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram if you really look forward to work with me, and you can book me for your bridal and non-bridal over there only.